Namaste friends, Misha here with another vegelicious recipe. Today we are making bhindi masala. A simple North Indian bhindi masala is my mother's recipe which is great on flavors, taste and healthy. Now let's get into the recipe. Here I am drying thoroughly washed okras on a kitchen towel. Once they are completely dried, chop the bhindis from both the ends. So as you can see here, I am chopping them from the head and then I will chop them from the tail. You will have to repeat this for all the bhindis. And then chop them in 3/4 inch of pieces. Do not chop them too thin as they tend to turn slimy after adding to the pan. Also make sure you dry all the bhindis properly because since it's a slimy vegetable, if they are not properly dried, the vegetable curry or like the bhaji will be very slimy too. Start with the cutting process now. So okra has low blood sugar and it is good for diabetics. I have cut down all the okras here and keeping them aside. Let's move over to making masala. I'll start with taking 2 tomatoes, 2 onions and 2 green chilies. Firstly, keep tomatoes in other plate and chilies also. And start with cutting the onion. I'll cut the onion in half and cut the other half like this and slice them evenly. We will repeat this process for both the onions. These 2 onions will be enough for half kg of okras and 2 chilies for mild spiciness. If you want to have it hot, you can add 3 chilies or 4 green chilies depending on the spicy taste you want for the recipe. So let's start with the cooking. I have enough oil in the pan to cover the bottom. To this I'll add half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds start tickling, add sliced onions. Make sure at this point the flame is on medium, or if you are operating on hot plates like me here, keep the knob on 2 or 3 until the onions are properly sauteed. Friends, keep monitoring the onions here so they shouldn't touch the bottom. Keep stirring time to time for better cooking of onions at this stage. Stirring it properly here. Now it is totally caramelized and the color has slightly changed towards brownish. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt, and to this I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it properly. Make sure at this point the flame is low or the knob is at 3 number if you are using hot plate. Now we will add, after stirring it properly, we will add green okras here in 2 portions. So first we will add in half portion and stir it properly, then we will add rest half of the okras and give it a proper stir so that the onion masala has coated properly to all the okras in here. So here I am adding rest half of the okras, or we can also call it bhindi in Hindi language. So give it a proper stir. Let them cook for a while without covering, and after few seconds we will cover it with a lid. Let it cook for another 5 minutes and we are still on medium flame. Friends, here I want to highlight few things about okra when I buy it from farmers market. I always choose tender and slender looking bhindi with no blemishes. At this stage, bhindis are 90% cooked and we are adding tomatoes here for a tangy taste to the recipe. Friends, this is a flavor packed bhindi dish recipe where the spices bring out the sweetness of okra while the tomatoes give a tangy taste to it. Guys, do not allow the bhindi to get mushy. It should hold shape of yet soft on bite. Let's keep it covered with the lid until the tomato softens and we are still on low flame. Wow, look at the colors of the recipe. It tastes so good. Presenting you from Vegelicious. Hope you will all try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for videos every Thursday and Sunday.